Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative products designed for convenience and efficiency. The ROVSUN 15L portable washing machine and the 16L upgraded portable washing machine. Both of these machines are perfect for small living spaces, such as apartments, dorms, and even RVs. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the ROVSUN 15L portable washing machine is priced at $99 United States dollars, while the 16L upgraded portable washing machine comes in at a more affordable $79 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. In terms of capacity, the ROVSUN model features a washing capacity of 9 pounds and a spinning capacity of 6 pounds, making it suitable for smaller loads. On the other hand, the 16L upgraded portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, which is a great advantage for those with bigger laundry needs. Both machines are designed with portability in mind. The ROVSUN model is compact and functional, making it easy to fit into tight spaces. Meanwhile, the 16L upgraded portable washing machine features a foldable design, which enhances its portability even further, making it ideal for travel or limited storage areas. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15L portable washing machine and the 16L upgraded portable washing machine offer unique features that cater to different needs. The ROVSUN is slightly more expensive, but offers a reliable washing and spinning capacity, while the 16L model is more budget-friendly and boasts a larger capacity and foldable design. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.